What's up, guys? CKC Joker here, opening this Spider-Man ps4-Pro. And we got CKC Laylo behind the camera right now.
What up?
Fucking loser.
Limited edition Marvel Spider-Man, guys. 1 terabyte.
Yeah, boy. Need to get a new PS4, Been having the same one for the past like 4 years. So, caught my eye. Decided, gotta pick it up. Oh, yeah. Got all the cords and it looks, what the hell? It's not as, it's like,
Yeah.
That's weird. I'm
Not
used
the
to
little one, like the
like
the old PS3 model fat cords.
Yeah, I'm used to the small one. Oh, there's the controller. Oh yeah.
Take that thing out.
Look at that.
Probably give you some PlayStation Plus, extra.
Look at that. Oh, that's sexy.
Yeah, looks pretty nice. What's the backside saying? Just flat.
Yeah, it's just.
Okay. Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't put decal or anything on that. Still not too bad. Pretty cool looking. And of course, you got the game here.
Some manuals and.
Look at that, not for resale, guys.
They gave me a 20% discount on games. Sweet.
Oh, broke it.
Shit. What if someone got it and just broke it as soon as they get it? That would suck.
Here it is.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
Bottom side.
Oh, look at that.
Set it down. Check it out. Looks pretty nice.
That's nice.
Let's see how many. Oh, they got two USBs.
Let's go. Been waiting for this for a month and a half.
Oh, it looks like they got a slot for the hard drive right there.
And they got the.
Hey, look at the PlayStation.
Yeah, they got the PlayStation buttons on the bottom.
PlayStation buttons on the bottom there.
For like the stoppers or whatever, so it doesn't move around.
Not too bad. Hook it up, hook it up.
Great. Hell yeah.
I'm sure everybody knows what it looks like. I'm leaving mine in the box. But that is CKC Joker's new Pro PS4 upgrade, Spider-Man Limited Edition. And thanks for checking us out. Give a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.